If there's one fruit that Washington is famous for, it's apples. That's because Washington apples are juicy, crisp, and I speak from experience when I say that they are delicious. Today, we're outside of Yakima at Lopez Orchards. Here, Carlos Lopez is putting in the work to grow amazing apples. So tell me, what makes your apples so special?
First, because we're in Washington, that helps a lot. I think the region out here and the soil and the temperature, all that where we're at, it grows it. The quality is better, the storage and all that. And then we put a lot of love into it, so that's what makes it great.
That's what makes it really special.
I came from the city, I came from California, and I thought you just watered the tree and you grow apples and you came and picked, but that's not the case. It takes a lot. This white stuff is what we spray for sunblock, so it doesn't burn it. So
okay, so there's a little sunscreen that that goes over the apples.
Yeah. Right now you'll see it like this, but when it comes out of the warehouse, they'll throw some little bit of wax and make it look really nice and pretty for you guys in the market out there when you purchase.
Out there in the city.
Yeah.
Time for me to try an apple. Get the sunscreen off. Ooh, it shines up so prettily. And now what is this again?
That's a Honeycrisp.
Honeycrisp. I swear I taste the sunshine. That is so good. Oh, it makes me happy. And I want you to know, I dressed for you. Here we are, right here.
That's your Honeycrisp right there.
Honeycrisp.
I love the shirt, yes.
Thank you. As they say in life, everything good comes with a price. Now Carlos is putting me to work.
So this will be yours.
All right.
This will be your bag.
This is my bag, okay.
This is your bag. And then it goes over this way.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, what did I do wrong? I did something wrong, hold on.
So my hands come out.
No.
No?
Wrong again. Let me, no,
here.
no. Right there. No, that didn't work out either.
All right, there we go. Ta-da! So I'm gonna lift it up.
Like this.
Like that. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna,
Yep.
how'd I do?
Then, yep. So the
Okay.
whole purpose of clipping these is because if they're long, they're harder than the other varieties. So they'll do this and they'll puncture. If they puncture, then they're considered no good. Yeah, you're getting good at this.
I got a good teacher.
We're gonna have to finish the bin if we start it. So.
All right.
Oh, over here.
I got a special touch. I think I might come back.
So we'll go on this side where the apples are here.
Okay.
So what you'll do, you're gonna have to lift up.
Okay, wait a minute. I can't even walk.
Yeah, that's how they walk. So go in first.
Okay, go over.
All the way down, like this.
He's laughing at me. Take this out.
Put it down.
Take this out.
And then go slowly back. So they don't roll as much. So they don't bruise.
Yeah. All right, little apples. This is amazing.
Yeah, you did pretty good. I think you can do it.
You think I could do it?
You can do it.
I'm so proud of myself. But the work's not over. Now the bin of apples needs to be driven out of the orchard.
Okay, you gotta look back because you're going backwards.
Okay.
Okay, you go right there, a little more. You're in neutral right now.
Okay, is that good or bad?
That's good. Now go forward, put it on forward. There you go, there you go. You're taking them home. Whoa.
Neutral.
Yeah, now you can turn it off.
Okay.
Good job, that was awesome.
That was.
Yeah.